everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Cafe, the place where you can learn English one sip at a time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hello, Emma. And hello to all our lovely listeners around the world. It's great to have you with us again today. How are you feeling today, Emma?
I'm feeling great, Jack. Thank you for asking. I'm actually very happy today.
That's nice to hear. You look relaxed and cheerful. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I really did. My weekend was very nice and refreshing.
A good weekend always makes Monday easier, doesn't it?
Absolutely. And you know, Jack, talking about our weekend is such a common and useful topic in everyday English.
You're right. Every Monday morning, people ask each other, "How was your weekend?" At work, at school, or even with neighbors.
Exactly. That's why today's episode is all about talking about your weekend in simple, natural English.
A perfect topic for English learners.
Before we begin, a small reminder for everyone listening. If you enjoy our podcast, please like this episode.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Cafe and share this episode with your friends and family. Your support really helps us.
Thank you so much. All right, Jack, let's get started. You can go first. How was your weekend?
My weekend was very relaxing. I had a busy and tiring week, so I wanted a quiet and slow weekend.
That sounds lovely. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday morning, I slept late.
Sleeping late is one of the best parts of the weekend.
I agree. After waking up, I made myself a big breakfast. I had coffee, eggs, and toast.
That sounds delicious. A good breakfast really sets the mood for the day.
It does. In the afternoon, I went to the park near my house. I sat on a bench and read a book.
Oh, I love doing that. Was the weather nice?
Yes, it was sunny and warm. The park was full of families, children playing, and people walking their dogs.
That sounds very peaceful. What kind of book were you reading?
It was a simple book about animals. I like reading easy and interesting books when I'm relaxing.
Reading in nature is such a good habit.
In the evening, I stayed at home. I listened to some music and cooked dinner.
You cooked? What did you make?
I made pasta. It was simple but very tasty.
I love pasta. So your Saturday was calm and comfortable.
Exactly. It was the perfect Saturday for me.
My Saturday was a little different. It was busy but fun. In the morning, I cleaned my apartment.
Ah, yes, cleaning. Not everyone's favorite weekend activity.
True, but I like having a clean home. I played music while cleaning, so it wasn't too bad.
Music always helps.
After that, in the afternoon, I went shopping with my friend Sarah.
Shopping sounds fun. Where did you go?
We went to a big mall in the city. We looked at clothes and shoes.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a new blue shirt.
Blue is a great color. I'm sure it looks nice on you.
Thank you. After shopping, we were tired, so we went to a cafe.
A cafe break is always a good idea.
I had a cup of tea, Sarah had coffee, and we shared a piece of chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake? Now I'm hungry.
It was delicious. We talked, laughed, and enjoyed our time together.
And what about Saturday evening?
In the evening, I stayed home and watched a comedy movie.
A good laugh is the best way to end a busy day.
What about Sunday, Jack?
Sunday was also very quiet. I like my Sundays slow and peaceful.
That sounds nice.
In the morning, I went for a walk around my neighborhood.
Morning walks are very healthy.
Yes, the air was cool and fresh. After that, I went home and read my book again.
You really enjoyed that book.
I did. In the afternoon, I visited my parents.
That's so nice. How were they?
They were great. We had lunch together. My mom cooked chicken and rice, my favorite meal.
Homemade food is the best.
After lunch, we talked for a long time. I also helped my father in the garden.
That's very kind of you.
In the evening, I relaxed at home, watched a little TV, and went to bed early.
You were ready for Monday.
And how was your Sunday, Emma?
My Sunday was a mix of busy and relaxing.
Interesting.
In the morning, I went to church.
A peaceful way to start the day.
After that, I went to the farmer's market. I bought fresh fruits and vegetables.
I love farmers markets.
In the afternoon, I cooked at home. I made salad, soup, and prepared food for the week.
That's very smart.
Later, I relaxed on the sofa and listened to an English podcast.
Great practice.
In the evening, I called my sister. We talk every Sunday.
Family time is very important.
Yes. After that, I read a book and went to sleep.
So, as you can see, talking about your weekend is very easy.
You can talk about Saturday and Sunday.
Use simple past tense. I went, I watched, I cooked, I visited.
And talk about your feelings. I was happy. I was tired. I was relaxed.
Everyone has a different weekend, and that's okay.
Sometimes weekends are busy and social, and sometimes they are quiet and calm.
This was a wonderful conversation, Emma.
I agree, Jack. And now we want to hear from our listeners.
Tell us about your weekend in the comments. What did you do?
Don't forget to subscribe to English Talk Cafe for more easy and natural English lessons.
Thank you for listening.
Have a wonderful week.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.